Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to try Cantu product for the first time on my natural hair, so stay tuned to the end of this video guys. So friends, as you all know, I'm on my natural hair journey, so I'm trying different products. Yeah guys, so right now I'm just trying different products from different companies. So here are the little products from Cantu I'm gonna use. So this over here we have moisturizer, coiling activator cream. Yes, and I have Cantu Shea butter natural hair coconut cream, coiling cream. Okay guys, before I start, what I'm gonna do is to wash my hair with Cantu Shea butter natural hair shampoo. Yes, that is what I use. Okay guys, right now I'm going in with the coil activator cream, so I'm gonna apply it on my hair. And what this cream does is to activate your coils. Yes guys, and it delivers value on your hair. Honestly guys, it smells really good and I love the scent. It smells good. So I'm just gonna apply that on my hair, all over my hair. Yes guys. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. So the next step is to apply the Cantu coconut natural cream gel. Yes, I'm gonna apply it. Honestly, this product smells really good. I love the smell. Yeah, please forgive me guys, because I'm not good at explaining myself very well, so I'm gonna apply it like the way you are watching me right now. Okay, I'm gonna try my best. This cream is super creamy, you know, and it smells really nice. Yeah, and it looks good. Guys, to be honest, the product did not really go down well with my hair. It took quite a long time before my hair could accept the products. It was really a big work for me to finger coil the hair. My hair was not blending with the cream. Yes, the product is not holding the coils together. It was, as in, it was loose, you know. So I'm just finger coiling my hair. As you can see, I'm just trying to finger coil the hair. As in, to be honestly, this product is not really good on my hair. Yes guys, it's not very good on my hair because I have to do a lot work, as in a lot of work. I have to finger coil for a long time, and I wouldn't want to waste my time doing that all over again. It was so light the coil was not, it was so light, not holding my hair like as I wanted. Yes guys.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed.
Guys, it took a lot of work before the product accepts my hair. The product, as in my hair, did not accept the product. I don't know, but honestly the moisturizer is very good. It moisturized my hair very well. The truth is that I don't even know the type of hair I have, and the only thing I can recommend again about this product, if you have a dry hair, is very good for you, and it will make your hair very soft and moisturize it very well. Yes, for dry hair. So as you can see guys, I'm still defiling my coils, so keep watching. Okay guys, as you can see, the back side came out good and my coil was so defined. Yes guys, you can see, I think the back side was really good to compare the front side. So what I'm gonna do next is to blow dry my hair. Yes, just blow dry it. Okay guys, to be honest, it took me quite long time to blow dry the hair, as you can see. Yes, because I wanted the hair to dry so fast. So that is it. Then after then, what I just do is to apply a little bit of oil, yeah, on my hair. Yes, this oil is for natural hair, is pure natural hair oil. So that is it guys. At this moment, if you are still watching and you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. I would like you to share your thoughts at the comment section down below. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for coming. This is your girl Mama What's Up. I do cooking, lifestyle, hairstyle. I also do talk videos. If I see anything that caught my attention, I can as well film it. So feel free to join my amazing family. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. So I believe I've come to the end of this video guys. As you can see, this is the finishing part of the hair. Hope you enjoy watching. See you in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Ciao.